everybody, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I've been around, but I decided to film an unboxing video for you today on my 2020 planner. This is the box it came in. It just got it in the mail, so I'm gonna unbox it with you guys. Hopefully I'll have this up before the new year. I am editing a bunch of videos right now, so this will be in the foray of videos. I will try and be around more in 2020, but I can't guarantee it, so I'm gonna try, especially with plan with me's and everything, because it's been a while since I've done plan with me's and been in the planner community super heavily. So let's jump into this. So this is the box it came in, very nicely packaged. It got to me like pretty fast shipping as promised, and we're just gonna open it up. So I got the MakseLife Planner. I was planning on doing something else for 2020, just using my personal wide rings, and I was also interested in the power sheets. But when I saw this announced and I saw a couple people review it, like Julie Plans and Plan with Lakin, I decided to go ahead, order this and try it. And then I heard about it from I also follow Sierra, or Planner Friend, on Instagram, and then she finally revealed her project. So I am super excited to jump into this, to try it and everything. Hopefully this will work really well for me. I've wanted to get more accomplished with my goals for the year. I also want to document my life, but as I found this year in documenting it, I can't keep in my A5 Hobonichi. That is not a good idea. So I will try and figure out something else for 2020, because that planner got really heavy. But and that planner my journal flip through is coming very soon. I haven't filmed it yet at the time I'm filming this, but I will be. So we are unboxing the MakseLife Planner today. This is how it came. So on top you get a card that says thank you and welcome to the MakseLife tribe. Find us on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. We're happy to support you and cheer you on for the vision for the new year. This is such a beautiful card. I love it. I'm just gonna set that off to the side. I love this card also. It says good things are coming repeatedly. I will probably punch this or stick this in the front of my planner as a reminder that good things are gonna happen this year. I can feel it. I can feel it. Then she gave a coupon when you pre-ordered it for the MakseLife Kickstart coaching group. So yeah, get in there, get all access to it, and we're gonna be jamming on the goals this year. Also, when you pre-ordered, you got these bookmarks, and I kind of snuck a peek at this last night. So getting all the things together. So it came with 3 bookmarks. The first one says my vision, and the bottom says dream big. So you can put this in the front part of the planner. This one is a monthly bookmark. It says monthly goals and dare to grow. And this one is a this week bookmark, and it says just begin. So I'm excited, and I'm glad that they provided bookmarks, something, you know, every planner girl likes to see, like your vision for the year, checking on your monthly goals, and flipping to this week. Easy access. Then it also came with a color coding sticker sheet. MakseLife is about color coding the goals, so there's some dots, some little arrow flags, some dots with scallops, and then some flag markers here. Super cute. Don't know if I'm gonna go hardcore on color coding. I'm gonna try. I'm trying not to be all savage with this ribbon and keep it all nice, but I do plan on using my sticker collection and getting that down this year. So it came tied with a ribbon, as you guys saw. Then it also came in shrink wrapped. So let's see. part might have to be a little savage, so I apologize. So there is that, and it comes in this beautiful keepsake box. It says MakseLife in gold, goal setting and weekly planner, and ta-da! It is a 7x9, kind of thick hardbound weekly planner. I got mine in the blue cover. The covers are designed by Pigeon Letters, and it comes with a gray keep it together strap is showed with rivets on the back. MakseLife is written in that gold font on the back. The rings are OD rings, the kind that you can flip through and has jaunting. Yeah, so there's a binding over here. That has not worked well with me with my sticker book that I got from Mad Sticky, but that's a whole nother episode. There's a pocket in the back which can hold stickers and whatnot. And then the front, let's just jump through this. Very clean white, bluish gray coloring. Gray tabs over here, like not fully gray but bluish white gray. Very cute. It says MakseLife goal setting and weekly planner. You can put your contact information on here. It talks and where to find MakseLife again. There's a little letter from Sierra and why she named it Moxie, and welcoming to the Moxie tribe. It talks about getting started, creating goals, accessible, and cultivating habits. Then you have your weekly daily features, which she talks about are notes and reflections, weekly tips, gratitude, and habit tracking. Then you have your compass assessment, which it goes through an overview of the planner. So the compass assessment, setting intention, annual goals and vision, monthly goals and weekly actions, monthly reflections, and quarterly reviews. Then you have your compass assessment. I did already do this part because this was available online, so I'll be transferring my information over to here. So then you have like questions. Here, I will pull this up so you can see a sample compass assessment, like where you are and where you want to be, and your wheels should be a little more balanced in what you want in your life. So you go through and fill out the questions, divide it up, and then put that score on the wheel. Then you have an intentions page where you want your life to be. And with all that information, you create your word for the year, which I haven't done yet. I'm thinking about a word, but haven't quite gotten there yet. Then she talks about setting goals and writing goals, like positive goals, intentional, like smart goals. Like she gives the example about getting rid of clutter versus clean my garage this weekend, or don't be on my phone before bed, or I will leave my phone in the kitchen at night, or stop checking email on weekends, or check email only on weekdays. Then you want to make sure your goals are measurable also, and simple. So you have talks about annual goals, monthly goals, weekly goals. She breaks them down into categories, like the categories for the wheel. So you have personal, fun and recreation, work and learning, family and relationships, health and wellness, spiritual, personal, financial, physical environment. And then you create a vision board for how you want your year to look. People do this in all kinds of ways. I might end up trying to print pictures and using magazines and things like that. Then she has goal setting quick tips. Then a lovely quote statement over here. And then you jump into January, which is a monthly layout. Let me zoom you guys in a little bit more so you guys can see this. Not that you haven't already seen this if you've been like stalking the MakseLife videos or anything like that. Pretty big blocks over here. You have a calendar for forward planning for February. You have a note section. There's a quote. You have a couple American holidays in there. And yeah, then you jump into your monthly goals, broken down the same way for the month with all the categories. You have a notes and reflection page for planning ahead, your weekly action items, and then you get into your weekly. So you have a habit tracker on the right side along with the notes section. At the bottom she has a space for like gratitude, and it's just a vertical column with the dates at the top. Very, very simple, so you can use it any way you want. So it goes on like that for the rest of the month, and then you jump into February, which is a slightly different color date dots. March, which is a lighter green. Purple, which goes back to gray. May, which is like yellow. June, which is peach. July, which is a pinkish red. August, which is like a pinky purpley, more purpley. September, which is grayish. October, which is that light blue again. November, which is that green. December, which is gray. And then at the back you have an extra section which includes a calendar for forward planning. So you have forward planning for 2020 if you need a quick access calendar. You have a calendar for 2021, and then you have note pages, which you have several of them, which is really good because I like to keep random things back here, as well as a double-sided folder in cardstock. So yeah, this is the MakseLife Planner, which I'm gonna use for 2020. I hope that I can last through the year. And yeah, that's about it for this unboxing of the MakseLife Planner. I'm gonna go put in some stickers and get this all set up, and I will see you guys in another video. Let me know if you guys have any questions down below or anything, or are interested in this, or what planner you guys are using for the coming year. I want to know it all. Let me know. I will see you guys in another video. Please keep up with me on social media, and I will, that's all in the end card at the end. But yeah, bye.